Welcome back, dear friends. Inside this lecture we are going to discuss how we can download and install Notepad++. So open your browser, any browser you are using. I'm using Chrome browser. Simply write Notepad++. You can say just free download or simply write Notepad++, then enter. So here we have a website, this called filehippo.com. So we are just going to download from this website, and you can see this is the latest version 7.5.4. so you can just download from any website, from this website, but if you want you can download from filehippo.com. Click on the link. Just in a few seconds we will be redirect here. Now you can see download latest version, and this is the total size for this file, 3.97 megabyte the size for this file. You can just download. To click here for download process, just click on the link, and this is the version of this file, 7.5.4. click on this arrow key. Your download will be start just in a minute. Now you can see in the left bottom corner the download process is just started. It will take just some seconds, like 1 minute, or maybe less than 1 minute, or maybe more than 1 minute. It depends on the speed of your internet, but anyway we are going to wait for this, no problem. So Notepad++ 7.5.4 is the latest version, and we have just here to download. Filehippo.com is a website. Just you can download any kind of software for your PC from here. I'm just using this website just for a long time. This is just a wonderful website. And we are done here. So you can see Notepad++ is just downloaded. Click on the arrow icon, and you can just say show in folder here, and after this you can just click on this, double click for the installation process. This is just very easy, run anyway. So I'm going to click on don't run because I have this on my computer. So this called Notepad++. So you can just download and install Notepad++ just in the same way. I hope you have enjoyed from watching this video. So from next class we are going to start discussing this course, what we are going to learn and what we have inside this course. We are just going to start from this from the next lecture. So see you in the next lecture.